Mm.
Okay then. Right. So let me open the paint. ఓకే. సో, మార్నింగ్ మనం చూసిన ఫ్రేమ్‌వర్క్ ఒక్కసారి ఐ మీన్ జస్ట్ 2 మినిట్స్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ యూ. ఓకే.
Yes, yes, yes.
సో,
Yes.
we are talking about the agile methodology,
Mm.
right? In
Mm.
agile methodology, we are having two backlogs.
Mm.
One is product backlog and the second one is sprint backlog,
Sprint learning, yes.
right? So,
Mm.
product backlog is the main backlog. Okay, let me
Mm.
write it in another color so that it will be okay, just 10 minutes. Okay,
Mm.
product backlog. Okay, I'm
Yes,
writing in the shortcut. Product
yes.
backlog. Okay,
Mm.
what is product backlog? Product
Mm.
backlog is nothing but whatever the requirements
Mm.
required for to develop
Mm.
a project, those
Mm.
items we are going to
Mm.
store it in one place. That is called as a product backlog.
Mm.
Okay, so
Mm.
all the items that are required to
Mm.
develop, right?
Mm.
So we keep it in one place. That is called as a product backlog. The requirements,
Okay.
tickets, okay,
Mm.
user stories,
Mm.
we call it as a different names. Okay, all are same only. Okay,
Mm.
so we
Okay.
keep it in one place. That is called as a product backlog.
Mm.
Okay, so some might ask like how many we can keep it in this product backlog. I'm
Mm.
not sure about it because I have seen more than 5,000 plus tickets also.
Mm.
Okay, I have seen 10,000 plus tickets also in some of the
Mm.
projects. Okay,
Mm.
it depends. I mean, I can't say that the exact number. I don't know that. Okay, I don't
Mm.
know how many tickets we can keep it in the product backlog. I can say it's like infinity. Okay, that's for sure. Or else
Okay.
in the back end, the what we can say Jira admins might purchase for these things. Okay, about the data will be there, right? Whatever the data we are
Yes.
keeping, so they might purchase the things. I'm not sure about it. Okay, so that's the reason I'm not saying the particular number how many tickets we can keep it. Okay,
Mm.
right.
Yes.
So what we are doing, what was the next step? So initially, after from product backlog to sprint backlog,
Mm.
okay, product owner will move the tickets, not the scrum
Mm.
master, not the developers, not the
Mm.
testers.
Mm.
Why? Because product owner is the responsible person to move the
Mm.
tickets from product backlog to sprint backlog. Whatever
Okay.
the items he has given to us, we are going to complete it.
Right. Mm.
Okay, Manoj, he has
Mm.
given Bhagavad Gita book. Okay, he has given some Quran book. Okay, he has given some Bible. He is
Mm.
saying us to develop this. Yes, we have to develop it. Okay, we cannot
Okay.
judge it.
Mm.
Okay, the reason
Mm.
behind is clients required. There is a client requirement for that. Okay,
Mm.
client is having some requirement on those books.
Mm.
So that's the reason he has given to us. We cannot judge the things,
Right.
right?
Mm.
So, but to develop these items, we need to get some descriptions. What are
Mm.
the major things should be there, right or wrong?
Mm.
Based
Right.
on that, we are going to develop the things. Understood?
Mm. Yes.
Right. So, Manoj, where we get the images? We need to get the
Mm.
images, right? So, all these
Yes.
images will be provided by the uh, architects.
Okay.
Okay. So, those things are not required for us because those things will be taken care by the development teams. Okay. Based upon the idea, they are going to take the requirements. Right.
Mm.
Manoj, how
Right.
we are going to pick the items? So, previously you said that 20 tickets, we are picking 20 tickets. How we are picking the 20 tickets? Here, okay, here we are going to have a meeting.
Mm.
Okay, that meeting is called
Mm.
as sprint planning meeting. Okay, now
Okay.
not required. I will explain this later also. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
here we are having some sprint planning meeting. In
Mm.
this sprint planning meeting, we
Mm.
are planning the tickets.
Mm.
Now you understood, right? Now
Yes.
product owner brought 20 tickets. Now what we are doing? We are
Mm.
doing planning. We
Planning.
cannot take 20 tickets,
Mm.
right? With our mouths, I cannot say that, right?
Mm.
Hey, I can't do 20 tickets. I will pick only
Mm.
5 tickets. I can't say that.
Mm. Yes.
How we can say that? based upon our capacity. Okay, Manoj, do you have capacity? Absolutely, I have the capacity in my organization. Not in my organizations, any organizations. If any person is working under agile methodology, they are going to work under capacity planning. So this is the capacity planning. Based upon this capacity planning, we are going to work. Okay, right. I will show you and I will explain this capacity planner one day. Okay, it will take around 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Okay, right. So we use this capacity planner. Based upon that capacity planner, we are going to have some hours, working hours, right? Like previously I told you, right? 600 hours. This
Yes.
600 hours, we are going to merge into tickets. Okay, we are going to attach those 600 hours to the tickets. How many hours? 600 for first ticket, 70 hours. Second ticket, 80 hours. 70 plus 80, 150. Next,
150.
another ticket, 100 hours. Total is 250. Another
50, yes.
ticket, 40 hours, 290. Another ticket, 60 hours, 350. Like that, we will measure each and everything. Based on that, we will stop around 600 hours. Okay, we will stop around 600 hours. Understood?
Yes.
Right. So now what we are doing is, here we have done some estimation. This is called as sprint backlog.
Okay.
What it is? SB, sprint backlog. Okay, here product owner is responsible for the product backlog items. Okay, only product owner is responsible for the product backlog items. Now product owner moved the tickets from product backlog to sprint backlog. Now who is responsible person here? Still product owner?
From sprint board, Scrum Master will be responsible.
Scrum master will be the responsible person. Why? Why product owner is not responsible? The reason behind is, here in agile methodology. Okay, in agile methodology, the company hired one specialized person. He is called as a scrum master.
Okay.
Okay, just consider there is a construction going on. Okay, just I mean, like 50 acres of land. Okay, if there is a 50 acres of land, there is a villas are going on, right? So in that land, ultimately 200 to 300 workers will work, right or wrong?
Right.
To manage those, we are going to have some supervisors,
Yes.
right? Just
Yes.
consider we are having only one supervisor.
Uh,
This one supervisor is taking care of all the 300 people. Am I right or wrong?
okay. Right.
Each and every person. Just consider
Uh, uh,
we are constructing 5 buildings.
okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's not a building, just a rough diagram. Don't say that, Manoj, it's not a building. Okay, so what I did is, I just give me a second. Hello, hello, everyone. Okay, right. So, right. So there is a 300. Sorry, 5 buildings construction is going on. Okay. So now what we do is, we usually split these 300 people into these 5 buildings, right? Right, 50, 50, 50 like that, right or wrong? 50 are working there, 70 are working here, 80 are working here, right or wrong? Like that, we will split it. Now, what this supervisor, the one supervisor will do, first he will go here and he will check this, how they are working, right or wrong?
Yes.
Now he will go here and after some time he will go here and he will check it. Like that, he will go each and every building and he will check each and everything, right or wrong? Likewise, we are in this agile methodology, we are hiring some scrum masters. Ultimately, one scrum master is, uh, what we can say, ultimately, one scrum master can't do all this work, because in this organization, we are having lot of members. Okay. So just consider we are having 100 people. Okay,
Mm.
one Scrum Master can't achieve these things. For
Mm.
that, we will achieve 3 to 4 Scrum Masters, or else
Mm.
three Scrum
Mm.
Masters. What these
Mm.
Scrum Masters will do? This Scrum Master will take care of these developers and testers.
Mm.
Okay, in school days, if there is no class is going on, just consider our sir is not there, or
Mm.
sir didn't come, or madam didn't come to the class. What we will do?
Mm.
We will play in the class, right or wrong?
Yes. Yes.
If sir came in the class, max sir came, what we will do?
Mm.
We will sit very quietly,
Mm.
right? Here also the
Right.
same thing will happen. Okay,
Mm.
we are not showing any authority here.
Mm.
As a scrum master, I'm not showing any authority. Hey, I'm the
Mm.
leader for you. Okay,
Mm.
I never ever showed that thing in my with
Mm.
my team members. Okay,
Mm.
up to now I worked with more than 200 plus colleagues. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
none of the member has given a negative feedback to me, because
Mm.
I usually merge with them from the day one, like a
Mm.
side colleague. If
Yes.
the person is having
Mm.
1 year experienced person, I will make
Mm.
a friendship with him like a 1 year experienced person. If the
Mm.
person is
Right.
having 20 plus years of experience, I will work
Mm.
with him with that
Mm.
experienced person,
Okay.
right? So that much
Mm.
respect I usually give. Okay, I
Mm.
give the respect and
Mm.
I try to take the respect. Okay,
Right.
so if
Absolutely.
anything is there, so some of the members try to,
Mm.
I'm getting a call. Okay, so some of the members in between, they try to, um, what we can say, they don't work on time. Okay,
Yes.
we
Mm.
usually, at the end of the day, we usually get the report. Okay,
Mm.
we have to
Mm.
get the report in Jira.
Mm.
Every day I usually get the reports. It's
Mm.
not a report. Ultimately, in ticket, if you make a subtask, the team members has to give the estimations, right?
Mm.
How many hours they have worked. Okay, if you go down here, you can see that the original estimate, right? In time tracking, what we do, they have to
Mm.
give the time spent, how much time I have spent, right or
Uh,
wrong? So based on that, I have to calculate the things. As a scrum
mm.
master, I have to measure each and everything.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
if you don't do all these things, you are not a successful scrum master.
Exactly. Right.
Why, Manoj? My team members
Mm.
ultimately will do. Yes,
Mm.
ultimately they will do. But
Mm.
what if they
Mm.
miss this sprint goal? What we have to do?
Mm.
Do you think the product owner will try to scold the development team?
No, we
No.
are
Do you think?
responsible. Catch
Yes,
hold is Scrum Master.
yes, I'm the responsible person. For
Mm.
that, I usually do the cross checkings.
Mm.
In the
Okay.
morning stand ups, what they have said to me. In the
Mm.
evening stand up,
Mm.
what they have done, I usually do cross checking,
Mm.
right? If the ticket is
Mm.
completed, yes,
Mm.
try to make it in a done state. Each and everything I usually measure from the development team. Understood?
Yes, Mohammed.
So that's how we usually measure in the sprint backlog. Okay,
Mm.
how many tickets completed? Is every
Mm.
ticket is completing on time or not?
Mm.
Okay, so here the responsible person is Scrum Master. Okay, not only the
Yes.
Scrum Master, development team and testing team also. Okay, because they are working, they have to take the initiation.
Mm.
Okay, without development team and testing team, we cannot complete these tickets,
Exactly. Right.
right? So if you
Mm.
show authority, they don't work.
Yes.
Ultimately, they will say that, hey, this Scrum Master is showing is like arrogant to
Attitude.
us, right?
Arrogance. Mm.
Right.
Mm.
They will give a negative feedbacks, right?
Yes.
So based
Yes.
upon that feedbacks only, we are going to get the salaries,
Yes, exactly. Manoj.
right? So
Right, Manoj.
right. So okay, so I'm not going into that much deep, right? So okay,
That is
so
very much very important, Manoj, for team people management and all. What you told is very important, actually. Right.
yes, that is the exact way. So I know
Mm.
that I usually get a lot of headaches with my teams, but I never ever
Uh,
show those things
uh,
on with my team members.
okay.
Okay, I usually keep that in my mind, and in future, these people
Mm.
should not do it. So what I
Mm.
have
Right.
to take the precautions for that. What I have to
Mm.
explain these things in the retros,
Mm.
right? To minimize
Mm.
their weakness, what I have to do all those things. How strongly I have to reply those things. I usually record all those things. Okay. So if I get a negative feedback from the clients, to
Uh,
make it positive, what I have to do,
uh, uh,
right? I try to figure it out. Okay,
okay.
sometimes if I
Uh,
don't get any idea about those things, I definitely contact, I mean, I definitely concern another scrum masters. Hey, I have these situations, what I have to do in these
uh,
situations.
uh,
If he is a junior also, no problem. Okay,
mm.
if he is a junior also, no problem. Just
Mm.
try to get the output.
Yes, Manoj.
That's it.
Manoj,
No
the
need
main
to.
thing is conflict management. How do you handle these conflicts and all, Manoj?
Yes,
So
see.
especially within the team only, see, as you told, it is more dependent on the developers and testers.
Mhm.
So as you told, few developers will be aligning with us and few don't, and there will be little conflict between development and the testers also. So at
Right.
the end of the day, that conflict and all, how do you manage, Manoj? That is
Yes,
important.
simple thing. So this is the I usually manage regularly. Okay.
Uh,
First thing is, just take them. I mean, just consider these are two people, two groups.
mm,
Okay.
okay.
Just
Mm,
this is a college, so these are like a
mm,
two groups. One is mechanical and some other group. Okay,
right.
CSE or anything. So just
Mm,
consider, just take
mm,
this mechanical group to one room. First,
mm,
so what is your conflict?
mm,
So why, what was the thing that made you to bring this situation? So they
mm.
will explain you something, right or wrong. Am I right?
Right, right, Manoj.
Just note out the
They'll give
points.
their explanation. Yes.
Yes, they give their from their end what was the conflict and what
Mm.
made them to to be in this situation, like to be in a high situation, high pitch,
Right. Mm.
right?
Uh,
Just note the points, right? So
mm,
after this, just go with the testing team.
mm,
Okay, so
mm,
just ask them what was the conflict to you.
mm,
Okay, what was the
uh,
conflict that made you to raise your voice,
mm,
right? Take a
mm,
note of it. Just
mm,
find the solutions between these two things. Just
mm,
consider, in my organization I find these things regularly, like every time developers I mean, the developers raise their voice, that every
mm,
time we are explaining the tickets, none of the testers are explaining the tickets, right? So tester also responsible person to explain to the clients, right or wrong.
mm.
So
Right.
in that situations, testers won't explain the things,
Mm.
right? But in these cases, tester has to explain the explain the things,
Yes.
right? So tester has
Right.
to explain. Okay,
Mm,
so what I have made an agreement, okay, mutual agreement between these two people is,
mm,
I ask them, development team will give the review, okay,
mm,
on the
mm,
odd numbers, odd weeks,
mm,
okay, or else
mm,
first sprint will be
mm,
explained by the development team.
mm,
The even number will be explained by the testing team.
mm,
If any help needed,
mm,
right? If any help
mm.
needed, the development team has to help them.
Okay.
If any help
Right.
needed to the development team, the
Mm.
testing team has to help them,
Right.
right?
Mm,
So these are
mm,
the consider cases
mm,
we usually get it. Okay,
mm,
and
mm,
not only one situation, we might
mm.
get like a different situations,
Yes, Manoj. Yes.
right? We will get different
Mm,
situations, right? If you don't have any situation, I mean, if you don't have any answer, just try to
mm,
figure it out, right?
mm,
So these are all, I mean, these are the situations will come from the experience only.
mm, mm.
Okay,
Yes,
right?
Manoj.
Okay, the next one. Now what we are doing, we are working in a sprint, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now what we are doing, we are considering the sprint length. Before the sprint planning meeting only, we are going to get the sprint
Mm,
length. Okay, now just we consider for 2 weeks.
mm,
2 weeks in the sense 10 days. We
mm,
need to complete this total tickets in 10 days.
Mm.
On the day 10, we have to showcase the product to the clients.
Yes.
This is called a sprint review meeting.
Meeting. Yes.
Okay, Manoj,
Mm.
in these 10 tickets, okay, the client accepted 9 tickets. One,
Mm.
two, three, okay, 9, 10. Oh, sorry, 9.
Mm.
Now, this
Mm.
red color ticket, client didn't accept it. What we have to do?
Mm.
Then we are going to move this ticket to the backlog.
Product backlog. Okay.
Okay, now this is the sprint one.
Mm.
Okay, now this is the sprint one.
Mm. Mm.
Now, next meeting will be straight away. After
Mm.
this sprint review meeting, this straight away meeting will be retrospective meeting.
Yes.
Here, what are the positives? What are the negatives?
Mm.
We are going to measure this sprint only, not personal work.
Mm.
In this sprint retrospective meeting, we are
Mm.
going to measure those things only. Manoj, I have some urgency, so that's the reason why I went out. No, it doesn't matter for me. If you go
Mm.
out, if you have a leave, nothing. Okay, I
Mm.
don't care. I
Mm.
care only for the work, right?
Mm.
You need to
Mm.
work for 7 hours in a day. Okay,
Mm.
Manoj,
Mm.
I have taken 2 hours of break to play some billiards or any snookers or any shuttle
Mm.
with my colleague.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
just do extra work.
Mm.
Just spend 2 more hours in the organization. But Manoj,
Mm.
my time shift is there. My time shift is up to 7 p.m. only. Then why did you play it? Right or wrong?
Mm. Yeah.
Then you have to play after the work, right?
Mm.
So these situations will happen. I know that.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
But in
Mm.
these situations, what I suggest is just try to work in Saturday and Sunday.
Mm.
We do have that option,
Mm.
right? So I
But,
usually
but at the end
personally
of the day, I
connect with
just
my.
need the task to be completed.
That's it.
Exactly.
Whatever you do, I know that. Okay. I know that
Mm. Mm.
many people will give wrong estimations also.
Mm.
Okay. One of the ticket will be completed in 30 hours, but they will give
Uh,
for 50 hours.
uh,
But they will extend it for 55 hours to 60 hours.
mm. Mm.
But that is not a measurable thing. Try to complete the work first and just whatever you wanted, you can play it.
Yes.
That's my rule. In my organization, I do these things only. Okay.
Mm.
I know that they will complete before only.
Mm.
Okay. But after completing
Mm.
your work, try to do whatever you want. So
Mm.
first try to complete the work
Mm.
and check the work is completely working or not.
Right. Mm.
Based on that those are the things we are going to measure in the retrospective meetings. Not only those, I will give you some things in the Jira point of view. When we go to Jira, I will show you the retro templates in Confluences.
Okay.
Right, in Confluence, what we have done. Where is this Confluence? Mhm.
So Confluence is also a tool like Jira, right?
Yeah, it is an integration tool. Oh, deleted. Okay, no problem. I will show you. I will create another conference and I will show it to you. Or else we can have it under here. Teams dashboards. Where it is Confluence. This is filters. Here only we will have it. Jira, Teams, administrations. Okay, no problem. We will have the Confluence separately. Right. In that Confluence, we are going to get it. Okay.
Mm.
Right.
Okay.
So now our main point is after completing the sprint retrospective, we how
Mm.
many tickets we have deployed up to here? 9 tickets,
9 tickets.
right? So
Mm.
9 tickets are called as shippable items.
Okay.
Shippable
Shippable
items.
items.
Okay. Shippable items are nothing but deployment. Okay.
Mm.
In a ship,
Mm.
what you will do, you in a cargo, what you will do, you will have a container, right or wrong? Multiple containers,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
Those are all called shippable items from India
Mm.
to some other country, USA. From USA to
Mm.
India, right or wrong?
Yes.
Those are all
Yes.
called as
Yes.
shippable items,
Mm.
right? Now, what we are doing by using those shippable items, right? Let me draw a diagram. Now just consider this is the sprint one. Okay. In sprint
Mm.
one, how many tickets I have completed? 9 tickets.
9 tickets.
So these 9 tickets I have to deploy.
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right.
Mm.
Now product, what is meant by product increment? Product
Mm.
increment is nothing but it is the combination or the addition
Mm.
of current build plus previous build. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Current build plus previous build. Okay. I will say
Mm.
you about the build also. No problem about
Mm.
it. Now this is the sprint one.
Mm.
Okay. Now
Mm.
what is PI? I told you current build plus previous build. Now I have
Yes.
completed this one. Now this is my current
Yes.
one. Right or wrong?
Yes.
What is previous? Before one, what we have?
I didn't get it.
0.
0.
0. Before one, we have
Uh,
0.
0.
Right? 1 plus 0. Right?
Mm.
In 0,
Mm.
do you have any items?
No. No. No.
No,
No.
we don't have any items. That means
Uh,
the total is 0 plus 9.
mm.
9, right? In 0, we
Yes.
don't have any items. Right? So
Uh,
I will keep a box here. Okay? In 0, we
uh,
don't have any items. So 0. 0 plus how many tickets we have?
9. 10
9.
tickets totally.
How it will be 10 tickets? It is 9 tickets, right?
9 tickets. Yes. 9 tickets. Yes.
So 0 plus 9, it will be 9.
Uh,
So I
9.
kept it in a container.
Okay.
Just consider I kept it here. So now
Mm.
sprint one, how many? 9.
Mm.
Okay, I kept it here. Now plus I have taken, I have completed another sprint.
Mm.
In this sprint, I completed just 10 tickets.
Mm.
Now what is the product increment? It is the combination of current build plus previous build. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Now what is the current build?
Current bill is total 11 plus 9. Totally
No, I'm
20.
asking the current build.
11.
11. Okay, just try
Mm.
to catch
Mm.
me. Okay, current build is
Okay.
this
Okay.
one. Now what
Right.
is the previous build?
9.
9. Right or wrong?
Uh,
Now
right.
what we have to do? I have to merge these two, right?
Mm.
9
Right.
plus
Mm.
11. Right or wrong?
Mm. Yes. Right.
Now my question is, I completed another sprint.
Mm.
Right or wrong? I completed another
Yes.
sprint. Now
Mm.
in this sprint, I have taken only 7.
Mm.
Now what is the current build here?
7.
3. Sprint 3 is the current build.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. Now
Mm.
what is my previous build?
2.
2. Right?
Mm.
What is the
Mm.
combination of 7? 11 plus 7?
19.
18.
18.
Right? Did
18. Yes.
anywhere I said that product increment, it is the combination of current build plus previous build plus so on. Did I said anywhere else?
No. 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 No.
No, I didn't said that, right? So
Just
now my
current build
question,
plus previous build.
just current
Mm.
build plus previous build. Okay, right. Now 18 tickets are there. Now I have to add this 18 tickets. Now what about this 9 tickets? Vanished, leave it, or else just consider I have taken another sprint.
Uh,
Now this sprint is sprint number 4.
mm.
Okay. In this, I
Mm.
have completed 13 tickets.
Mm.
Okay. Now what is the product increment? It is the combination of current build plus previous build.
Mm.
Now I'm doing the plus. 13 plus 7 is 20.
20. Yes.
Now my question is, where are this 9 and where are this 11? I'm adding
It's been product.
current build plus
No.
previous build, right or wrong?
Right. Right.
If I add these two, what about
Mm.
these two?
So it will be in product backlog.
Why it will be in product backlog? I have already deployed it. These are completed tickets,
Completed tickets. Okay.
right?
Mm.
So that's the
Mm.
reason in product increment, what we are doing is we
Mm.
are doing something like we are deploying the product, okay,
Mm.
in a monthly wise,
Mm.
quarterly, half yearly,
Mm.
yearly,
Mm.
right?
Oh.
So there are
Mm.
some strategies companies will follow.
Mm.
Product increment will be deployed for 3 months.
Mm.
3 months in the sense, if you measure 2 weeks of sprint,
Mm.
just listen, this is very, very important. If you
Mm.
measure one sprint is equal to 2 weeks,
Right.
okay, and my
Mm.
product increment deployment
Mm.
is around 4 months, okay,
Okay.
in these
Mm.
4 months, how many sprints I will get it?
8 sprints will be.
8 sprints, right
Mm.
or wrong? Because one
Yes.
month, in 1 month, we are working for 2 weeks,
Yes.
right? Now, what I'm
Yes.
doing is this 2 weeks, sprint one, after completing, I'm keeping it here, okay? 10
Okay.
tickets. I'm not deploying 10 plus,
Mm.
I'm keeping in some storage. Now,
Mm.
these tickets will be how much? Around 11.
11.
Now,
Okay.
current build plus previous build. If I
Mm. Mm.
merge these two, okay,
Mm.
if I merge these two, we can
Mm.
have these two only. If something got it, if another sprint came, right?
Mm.
If it is
Mm.
13,
Mm.
what I have to do? I have to measure these two.
Yes.
I
13 plus
cannot
11.
combine this one, right or wrong?
Yes.
For
Yes.
that, what we are going to do is 10 plus 11. That is going to be 10
Mm.
plus 11 here, right or
Mm.
wrong? Now, if the
Yes.
third sprint came, I
Mm.
don't measure with the 2 here.
Mm.
Right away, I will come and add these things to here.
Okay.
Now, what we
Okay.
are having, this product increment is the
Mm.
combination of current build plus previous build. Current
Yes.
build and
Okay.
previous build is 10 plus 11, right or wrong?
Right. Right. Right.
Now, what is my current build here? 3. Now, what
3.
is the
Mm.
previous build here? 3i.
10 plus 11.
10 plus 11. Now, what I will do? I
Yes.
will add it here 13,
Mm.
right? Now, another
Yes.
build came,
Mm.
okay? Now,
Ah.
here I'm having 15 tickets. What I do?
Mm.
I don't measure with here. If I measure it, these two will be gone.
Yes.
This for an example, okay? In live,
Understood.
how we will do it, I will show you, okay?
Okay. Okay. Got
But
it. Got
product
it.
increment, how it will work? We are going to keep it as a storage. That storage, we are
Mm.
going to call it as um,
Product
product
increment.
increment. In this increment, we are going to keep all the tickets for deployment tickets, okay? For
Mm. Okay.
roughly 3 months of deployment, 6 months of
Mm.
deployments, okay?
Mm.
Those tickets we will keep it here, right? After completing 15, we will add it to here, right or wrong? Now 10
Yes.
plus
No.
11 plus 13 is equal to 30, sorry, 30, 34. 34
34.
plus
Yes.
15, right
15.
or wrong?
Mm.
So these
Right.
all tickets will be previous build and 15 will be the current build.
Right.
Understood?
Got it.
So that's how we are going to measure the things. Okay, this is
Mm.
also one of the interview questions, product increment.
Got it. Manoj.
Okay, so you have to
Mm.
explain in this way. So
Mm.
that will be very effective. Okay,
Mm.
understood? Any doubts?
Yes. No, Manoj.
Right. Okay, so meanwhile, here I will explain you. Let me take another new one. So, right. So I told you, right? I'm drawing the roughly. Okay, so this is the product backlog and this is the sprint backlog,
Print
right or
backlog.
wrong?
Yes.
Now, just measure the things. Now, this is the product backlog. Now, this is the sprint backlog.
Mm.
Okay, we are going to call these as the ceremonies. Okay, now we are
So,
having here sprint.
mm.
Okay, we are having sprint. Now, here what we are having? Sprint review.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
now here we are having sprint retrospective.
Let's expect.
Right, in sprint
Uh,
ceremonies, how many we are
mm.
having? 5 ceremonies.
Mm.
What are those? First one is
Product
sprint.
backlog.
No, 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 no. First one is sprint.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Sprint is the first one, right? These two are different.
okay.
Okay. These
Mm.
two are not ceremonies.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. First, what we
Mm.
will do? We will do sprint planning.
Mm.
Okay. After
Okay.
that,
Mm.
we are going to have, sorry, sprint. We will have initially sprint.
Mm.
Okay. Next,
Mm.
between these two, we are having another meeting that is called as sprint planning.
Mm.
Okay. The
Mm.
second one is sprint planning.
Okay.
The third one is daily scrum.
Mm.
Okay. We
Mm.
are working for 24 hours in a day, 24 hours, right?
Yes.
Daily scrum depends upon
Mm.
every day. This is the one of
Mm.
the meeting we will take the updates from each and every developers and testers.
Mm. Mm.
This is called as a daily stand up.
Mm.
Okay. Daily
Mm.
stand up. Okay.
Mm.
Now, what is the first meeting? Sprint.
Mm.
Second meeting is sprint planning.
Spanning.
Third
Mm.
meeting is daily stand up. Fourth
Mm.
meeting is sprint review. Fifth
Okay.
meeting is retrospect.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So in agile methodology under Scrum framework, we are having a rule called 3-5-3-5 rule. Okay, it's not a
Mm.
rule. I'm just explaining like this. Okay,
Mm.
what is this three? These three are nothing but roles,
Mm.
five ceremonies, five values, three
Mm.
artifacts. Okay, so if you know all these things, where we have to use all
Okay.
these things, where
Mm.
what are these things?
Mm.
You have to master all these things. If you master all these things, then Scrum framework is very, very easy.
Got it.
Okay. Manoj, how can I
Mm.
master it? No need it.
Mm.
Just practice. Practicing is the key. Okay. Understood? Any doubts in this? Any doubts
Yes,
from
Manoj.
this topic? I will explain those things.
Manoj,
No
can you
problem.
just repeat that rule, Manoj? What does 3535 stands for? I'll make a
Yes.
note.
Yeah. You can make note of, oh, I deleted it. Three roles.
Mm.
The first one is three roles.
Real.
And the
Okay.
second three comes under three artifacts.
Mm.
Okay. Three roles, three artifacts,
Okay.
five ceremonies,
Mm. Mm.
five values.
Okay.
Okay. In the day 7 or day 8, I will explain those things. See here, three roles,
Okay.
three
Ah.
artifacts, five values, and five
Mm.
ceremonies.
Mm.
It will take
Okay.
around 1.5 hours to 2 hours to explain all those things. Okay.
Mm. So,
Right. I will
mm.
explain each and everything very clear. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Okay
I'll be
then.
getting some notes, Manoj.
Which one? This one you want? If you want it, I can share it.
No. Okay, Manoj, because I'm taking notes also, running notes. So apart from that,
Okay.
if there's any handy notes, also it will be better as
Nothing
well.
will be there. Okay. You prepare by your own notes. Okay. Nothing. Whatever the
Okay,
concept
Manoj.
we are having, just
Mm.
do chat GPT. Okay,
Okay,
what is
Manoj.
waterfall methodology? Simple. What is agile
Mm.
methodology? Okay, I will give you some notes. Okay, no problem in that.
Okay, okay.
I do have,
Mm.
I prepared some notes. I will share those things to you. Okay,
Yes, Manoj.
no problem.